Right, assalamualaikum everyone, and welcome back to Pepe video update right now. And Pepe is on 7935. So 7935, we are consolidating. Bitcoin has been consolidating as well, and Pepe has been consolidating. Another day, another story, and another bullish divergence that has been continuing to rise while the prices are moving sideways at the moment. Okay, so yeah, the best thing right now is that we have a bullish divergence, and that's all that is good for Pepe. But it definitely doesn't mean that we are getting any good signs, or we're starting to pump again, even though we are supposed to move to the upside because a bullish divergence is being made right now. The next thing that I want to say is that I do notice one thing, and that's, I think, the highlight of the update right now. And I might say that I think we are losing the trend line. Okay, there's this support that is being lost. Like, we're moving sideways, but there are different ways of drawing this trend line. Now, number one is, okay, maybe something like this. Some people would end up drawing this area. I'm just going to show you. It's going to make sense in a while. Just bear with me. And I'm going to take the triangle, and you might say that, okay, the triangle is some sort like this. Okay, so anytime you're touching in the triangle, you're moving up 1, 2, you're moving up 3, you're moving up. Okay, and actually this is valid as well, because it takes 3 touches to make a support line. 1, 2, 3 right there. If I do extend this just a little bit higher, you can see you have 1, 2, 3, 4, couple of touches, pretty much a demand zone right there. So it looks pretty good right now to me. Now the second scenario, and I don't know, for some reason I feel like that this scenario is the better one, is to take the trend line and actually make the trend line like that. And what do you see? I do see that 1 support, 2 support, 3 support, 4, a loss of a trend line, a move back up, and a retest potentially. And this retest to me looked like a failure. Now, invalidation of this retest is somewhere potentially up here. Do you see that? Potentially up here. But when zoom in this small zone right there, okay, in this little bit of a very, very small zone at the moment, I think that there's a lot of hard work that is required. I think you still need to push above here and take this stop loss to be in the absolute safe area. Okay, if you do zoom in there, if you zoom in here and you take stop loss here and you start to flip bullish, it will be a bad idea. Okay, because once again, zoom out, and I've told you before that the demand zone right here is pretty ugly. You've already lost it, so you're looking for the first touch, second one, and this is again a very, very, very clear loss of support. Now the thing is that it does look like you're making a mini bear flag on the daily as well, something like that. Okay, you've come down, and you see this looks like a bear flag right now. And if this bear flag gets lost and you start to go down again, and I'm looking for a technical target, and we might be looking at in the future 6565 as your technical target, and you do have a setting for nearly 16% move to the downside. Now, do you remember back in the 4-hour time frame when I told you that this also looks valid to me, this box right here, because you still have some few touches? Now, well, in order for us to make sure that this one has been lost as well, let's say if Pepe does come down below here and take this last stop loss, then this could be a bear flag on the daily, and you're looking to go down to what? To this price target here, to the 6565, and that price is going to be down to 7529. And that's pretty much it for this update on Pepe. Hope you enjoyed this one. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.